Giovanni and this is my channel. Welcome, comments, like and subscribe. Bye bye. Would it be nice to have subscribers just with this? Jokes apart, today we return to work on a wonderful model. I bought it thinking it's something a little bit more than a toy. Building, I realized that it is a real RC car, but very, very little. And I'm speaking about this Orlandoo Hunter. Turn down the camera and okay, this is all what we have to mount. Well, I start from this new arrival. This is the battery, just one battery with battery charger from Orlandoo, and this is the engine. It's a medium speed engine, but and now we can mount all the pieces e via dicendo, and so on. But today I would like to speak to you about electronics, because in this model, despite the dimensions that are a very tricky challenge, the real challenge is electronics. How to realize your own electronics. I've looked on YouTube and there are no videos, no good videos about this. I hope to do a real good tutorial. So, clean up the table. And this is what I found on instruction. And I have to apologize because I told you that there were no instruction about this. You can see here, this is all what they give about the connection of this very little part. These are the wires they give you, and these are the LED. I just used 3 red LED. And now the challenge is to understand which is plus and which is minus, because LED doesn't work on opposite current. So I have made this my own tester. Here we have a 3 volts battery, plus, minus. I guess that minus is, look, I show you. You see this drawing. To me, it looks like that this is minus, ground, and this is plus, black, red, to understand. So, let's try to see if it's so. We do this and this. Okay, we have to connect black wire and red wire. Black wire, red, black, red. These are 3. I've put it on the double adhesive tape, and now we have to work with these very thin wires. In order to do this, I have bought a very thin soldering pen, quite nice, on Amazon, less than 20 euros, 60 watt. On off, and you can choose your temperature. Let's see if it works. By now I have prepared wires using this way, so I can pick the quantity I need, and I made 5 black and 5 red. Now the challenge is this thin wire to reach the metal in order to solder. I can try with fire, very gently. Perhaps it works. So now we can try for the first time to solder this. Paste, this is important. Okay, and new very thin wire. Okay. Yes. A little bit more. Okay. Now here. And now wait. Done. Less difficult than what I thought. So this is one. It's so thin that you don't see nothing. Okay. The first one is done. Let's check if it works. My tester. One. Works. Well done. Proceed with the other three. Done. The first three are done. Now we have to connect this one. For the, I call them regular LED, you have to know that the longer leg is the right one, plus the black, obviously minus. Okay, all the wires are connected to the LED. Now we connect here, but there's a little problem that I don't know exactly how much the wires must be long, so I think that I've made them a little bit longer. Then I will adjust everything. Now we have to read on the instructions where to connect, and here is reported plus oder minus, or minus. Oder is in Deutsch. Stick on, reverse light, no, turn left, no. Okay. here we are. The electronics is complete. All the LED are connected. I've soldered following the instruction, and all the parts are plugged except the engine. Next step. And now we can try, we can see if it works. So radio, switch on the radio first, then the car. Here the light is blue, it means it works. The radio becomes already binded, no problems, and so we can start checking how does it works. I want to show you also the radio. Okay, so first of all, steering. Perfect. Then lights. There's a little delay, you see. Okay, we leave lights on. Then the engine sound. Here you can adjust the volume. A few seconds and the engine stops. This is not very good. I preferred a little more time, but as I release the accelerator, the brightness of the red LED increases even when I stop. This is rear. You hear that rear doesn't go as fast as forward. What's the matter? No more headlight. Pressing 3 times the light button, they flash. Stop, 1 time off, 1 time on. And now we have the challenge to put everything here inside. I think that I have to study. But before, next video, we mount all the mechanics, the engine. So by now, thank you very much for watching. Comments, like and subscribe. Bye bye, up to the next from Nanny RC. Ciao.